彼は来月結婚するということをまだ誰にも知らせていない。ということ。
Changes a sentence or phrase into a noun. Is used to express the fact that or the thing that. It is often used to clarify or explain a statement.
この大学では、タイ語とか東アジアのいろいろな言葉が勉強できます。とか、とか。
Among other things, such as, is used in Japanese to list examples without being exhaustive. It is similar to the English expression such as or things like.
最初に会った時からそれを感じていました。時。
When, at the time, is used to indicate the timing of an action.
どうぞお入りください。私はもう出ていくところです。ところ。
About to, on the verge of, is a versatile expression that can be used in various contexts. It means place, point, or time. Additionally, when combined with the verb stem, it can indicate an ongoing action or a point in time.
どっちが正しいと思う？と思う。
I think, you think, is a phrase used to express one's opinion or belief.
これからもあの男の子を守り続けるのだろうか。続ける。
To continue is a verb that means to continue or to keep on. It is used to describe the action of persisting or maintaining a state.
この薬は飲みやすいです。安い。
Easy to, likely to, is an adjective that means easy or inexpensive. It describes something that requires little effort or is affordable.
今朝はいつもより早く学校へ行きました。より。
Than is a particle used to indicate comparison. It is equivalent to than in English and is used to express a comparison between two things.
私は留学をする予定です。予定だ。
Plan to, intend to, is a phrase used to express intention or plan.
前の方でどうやらでかい事故があったようです。ようだ。
It seems that, it appears that, it looks like, is used to express likelihood, similarity, or appearance.